everyone, welcome back to Fresh Squeezed RC, and on today's episode I put together a rad edit of a rainy day skate park session with the HPI WR8 Ken Block Ford Fiesta. And unless you've been living under a rock, you've seen this and you've seen it in action on my channel and a bunch of other channels and Ken Block's YouTube page as well. So basically this is their 8-scale rally car. It's got a 4,000 kV brushless motor in it, it's 4-wheel drive, it's all metal gears. It's got metal gear diffs, and I mean, this car is awesome. This thing is bone stock with the exception of these more aggressive rally tires and wheels, and this is a ripper. This car is awesome. So I'm sure some of you have heard that HPI might be going back out of business, and let's hope that they can get past that and keep making awesome cars like this, because it sure would be a shame never to see another one of these. Before we get to the action, I got to give a quick shout out to my sponsors, Reefs RC, Coastal Hobbies, Pushrod 3D, RC Drag Talk, and Fame RC. These people and companies help keep this page running and provide me with a bunch of awesome products. And they can provide you with a bunch of awesome products, so hit them up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in a couple days.